is incredible. Oh man, into the tunnel. Holy crap. Whoa, that was insane. Oh my god. Yay, floater air time. Woo. Here we go. Titan helix, Titan helix. Oh my god, that is so intense! Woo! Alright, here we go, taking a little bit of a breather. You almost need it on this ride. And now, into this crazy mess of track. Oh! Woo! Oh my god! Oh! This helix is so intense! Whee! Oh my god! Oh man! Woo! And that, my friends, is Titan at Six Flags Over Texas. That was insane. Alright guys, get ready for it. We're gonna do not one, but 2 loop-de-loops and at least a couple of holy crap moments are coming your way. Oh my god. Alright, here we go. Oh crap, get ready for it. Ready? Oh! Loop-de-loop 1, followed immediately by loop-de-loop 2. Oh, holy crap. Ready? Whee! Oh man. If you're in the back seat, this is a holy crap moment right here. Oh! And woo! They don't make roller coasters like this anymore, but they should. Oh, get ready for it! Whee! Oh man! This is still one of my favorite coasters ever. Ready and woo! Oi! Tooth chipper at the moment, at the end, and that is still awesome. Shockwave over here at Six Flags Over Texas. All right, here we go, guys. Get ready. Oh! Loop-de-loop number 1, followed by awesome zero-G wackiness, and second loop-de-loop. Oh man! Whee! Oh man, I love these old school classic awesome B&M inverts, flippy dippy upside down stuff, and more upside downy wacky things, and into the brakes. And that is Batman here at Six Flags Over Texas. Still awesome after all these years. I'm telling you, this launch always takes me by surprise. No matter how many times I ride this damn ride, I am never ready for this. So guys, get ready. We're gonna count ourselves down here at 3, 2, 1. Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, woo! Oh, that was kick-ass! Oh, I cannot stop laughing! Oh man! Alright, here comes the best part. Looking straight down. That scares the crap out of me. Here we go! And that is Mr. Freeze Reverse Blast here at Six Flags Over Texas. And it seriously kicks ass, and you have to ride this over and over and over again. Wait, let's discuss this. No, wait. Oh my God. Here we go. Oh, the airtime on this ride is ridiculous. Sideways airtime. More sideways. Weird random stuff happening. Texas Giant here at Six Flags Over Texas, and that is awesome.